Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to Teacher Zala's class. I hope that you all are doing well. So boys and girls, today is Monday and we are going to start with our Bible story, our weather, our days of the week, our months of the year, our counting, as well as our color and shape of the week. Yes, boys and girls. So let's quickly see what is the Bible story for this morning. Okay. Jesus stops a storm. Once Jesus Christ was traveling through the Sea of Galilee with his disciples. But soon a violent storm engulfed them. Water filled the boat and it began to sink. Jesus was asleep, so his disciples woke him up. So Jesus woke up, stood facing the sea, and commanded it to be calm. And just like that, the storm withered away. So boys and girls, our lesson out of this Bible story is with faith in God, nothing is impossible. So boys and girls, now that we have done our morning routine with our Bible story, let's go on to our weather. So boys and girls, get your weather chart ready. As you can see on the weather chart is sunny, rain, cloudy, partly cloudy, snowfall and thunderstorms. So boys and girls, I don't think that it's partly cloudy today or that it rains, but it is sunshine. So take your pick and your arrow, boys and girls, and put it on sunshine. Well done. Okay, boys and girls, now for our days of the week. Let us go through our days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Yes, boys and girls, remember when I started I told you guys that it's Monday. Well done. Okay, so boys and girls, let's quickly do our counting. Get your counting card ready, boys and girls. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. So let's go from 10 to 1 backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, boys and girls. Remember, you need to count from 1 to 50 at home for me, okay? So boys and girls, our shape and our color of the week, as you can see, our color of the week is red. Yes, and our shape is a triangle. Well done, boys and girls. I am so proud of you. So boys and girls, now that we have done our morning routine, let's move on to our theme discussion. So boys and girls, now that we have done our morning routine, we are going to move on to our theme discussion. So boys and girls, as you know that we are doing weather this week. Yes, our theme is weather. So boys and girls, when we look at the sky, what do we see? Well, we see a sun. Sometimes it's sunny, other days it's partly cloudy, but there's the sun. And then sometimes, boys and girls, we get scared because then there's thunder and lightning and rain. Yes, boys and girls, this is thunder and lightning. So this is when a storm is happening. Yes. So, okay, boys and girls, now that we have seen those, remember I said that sometimes it can be cloudy. What does the sky look like then? Full of clouds. Yes, boys and girls. Okay, and some days it's chilly. Why? Because the wind is blowing, boys and girls. Yes, as you can see, there's a little man running after his umbrella and his hat because the wind blew it away. Yes, boys and girls. Okay, so our next picture is rainy. Yes, boys and girls, sometimes or some days it's rainy outside. Then we see white clouds or dark clouds with raindrops. Yes, boys and girls, well done. So, boys and girls, what I want to discuss next with our weather theme is what we wear when it's cold? Let's see. We wear a long tracksuit pants. Yes, boys and girls, it's important to wear warm clothes when it's cold because otherwise you're going to get sick and then you have to drink medicine or go to the doctor. Yes, okay. And then we wear a long sleeve shirt. Yes, boys and girls, as you can see, this is a nice long sleeve shirt. Cozy. Right. So boys and girls, our shoes. Do we wear open shoes when it's cold? No, because why? Our little toes will freeze off. Yes. So we wear warm boots. Yes, boys and girls, we wear warm shoes if it's cold the day. Okay, right. And what else do we need to protect against the cold, boys and girls? Our hands and our head. And also, if you have a scarf, you need to wear a scarf. But for our hands, we are going to have this, yes, and a hat. Yes, boys and girls, we are going to have gloves and a cozy wool warm hat. Well done, boys and girls. Remember, boys and girls, depending on the weather outside, please dress according to the weather. If it's warm, you can wear a nice shorts and a t-shirt and some sandals, because then otherwise if we get too hot in warm clothes outside and it's hot outside, we can dehydrate. Yes, boys and girls, and then we also need to go to the doctor, okay? But when it's cold, remember to wear cool and very warm clothing, okay? So boys and girls, now that we have done our theme discussion, we are going to move on to our activity. Okay, boys and girls, so our next activity is optional, so you are not required to do it. But boys and girls, you can go and ask mommy and daddy if they have magazines at home, and then you can join into the activity. So they ask us to take a magazine and look into the magazine if there is any weather pictures. So boys and girls, teacher Zala does not have a magazine with her, but I do have my sticky board. So boys and girls, when we look to the weather, what do we see before we get thunderstorms and rain and all of this, boys and girls? We see a sun. Yes. So boys and girls, our sun is going to be first. Yes, well done. So boys and girls, before it starts to rain, what do we see? We see cloudy. Yes, we see clouds in the sky. So boys and girls, then we're going to take our clouds and put it next to the sun, because before it rains and storms, there is always cloudy weather in the sky. Okay, so boys and girls, what do we get with the cloudiness before it rains? We get wind. Yes, boys and girls, the wind comes before our rainstorm. Yes, boys and girls, all the wind puts all these clouds together, and then it gets darker and darker and darker. Yes, boys and girls. So after the wind, we have our rain. Yes, well done, boys and girls. We have our rain next. Okay, so boys and girls, if it's very, very, very cold that day, we get some snow. It's very rare that we get snow, boys and girls, but it can happen. Okay, so boys and girls, after you have done that, remember, mommy and daddy, this is optional, and you can decide, or if you have the stuff at home, you are more than welcome to do it. And please, boys and girls, send a picture to teacher Anna, and then I can see your work as well. Okay, boys and girls, now that we have done our theme discussion, we are going to do our worksheet. So boys and girls, you have received an activity 10 worksheet from teacher Anna, and this is going to be what you're going to see. As you can see, boys and girls, there are some pictures here. Here is some clouds, wind, rain, and a lightning bolt. So boys and girls, you will see as well there is a L, W, R, and a K at the bottom. So what you are going to do, boys and girls, you are going to cut out these letters on the dotted lines, and please be safe with your scissors as well. And can you please, boys and girls, go through your pictures and say the words that you see. Clouds is going to be K, wind is going to be W, and rain is going to be a R, and the lightning bolt is going to be L. And boys and girls, please remember to put your name on top as well. If you are done, boys and girls, it should look like this. Please make sure that your pictures are colored in nicely. Okay, boys and girls, well done. Okay, mummies and daddies, our work for the day is done, and I want to say well done to the little boys and girls for doing such a great and awesome work. I'm very, very proud of you. Okay, mummies and daddies, if you look at your sheet that teacher Anna gave you, you can please find that our song of the week is Mr. Sun, and our story of the week is Anati and the Dirty Smelly Beast. Okay, please, boys and girls, mommies and daddies, you can find the link as well on your page. And just to make sure, boys and girls, that is all for today. There is no optional art activity, mommies and daddies, but if you want to, you can go outside and explore a bit of the weather. Okay, so mommies and daddies, boys and girls, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.